Look at this gorgeous river. Absolutely stunning. I'm standing on this one little mossy rock. Hope I don't fall in. Gorgeous. There's Gage waiting. Hot dog. Love this. Absolutely love this. How can you tell I love this? I've got a huge smile on my face. It just makes me happy. I'm gonna fall in because I'm getting dizzy. Oh shit. Anyways, it's a gorgeous day today. It's Saturday. And spending it in the Wellsbury this weekend. Hope you guys are having a great day, a great weekend. And get outside and touch some water. Find a creek, a stream, a river, a lake. Maybe your hose. But touch some water today, okay? You guys have an amazing day.